Hi, this is from Sose University. This is a job opening for the technology SQL Server Database Administrator, the company Liventus. Location is Bangalore. The job descriptions are 5+ years of experience in SQL Server, 3+ years of experience with ETL or ELT tools, must have working experience and must have experience with working with Azure Data Factory, including creating pipelines, datasets, and linked status. And the second technology is Senior SQL Database Administrator for the company Colon Infotech Private Limited. The roles and responsibilities are experience of Microsoft Azure technology, experience in database migration, application test, and interview special knowledge is required, and ability to interpret business requirements and develop an appropriate solution, and ability to quickly and effectively solve technical and other work-related problems in logical and methodology manner. The third technology is SQL Database Administrator for the company OMP. The location is Mumbai. The key responsibilities are staying up to date with the latest development in database technology and integration them into our product, keeping our internal SQL server system running in top shape. The fourth technology is SQL Database Administrator for the company Tekosol IT Solution. The location will be in Cochin. The requirements are 3 to 8 years of experience candidate install and configure with new Microsoft SQL Server instance, including always on availability, group and failover clustering, and knowledge on database concepts is required. Knowledge of MySQL Server architectures are required. The fifth technology is SQL DBA for the company Leuwint Technologies. The location is Bangalore. Minimum 5 years of experience in SQL Server and database administration, and strong experience in database management activities using Microsoft SQL Server 2016 or 2019 is required. Hands-on in analyze, design, and review logical and physical data models is required. And the links will be given in the video description, so you can upload it directly. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.